Hello everyone, this is CA Jigar Shah and I am a partner at SK Rathi & Company Chartered Accountants. So if you have subscribed to my channel, you already know that we are partners for Zoho Books and we help our clients and other people implement Zoho Books. Now one of the good things that Zoho Books has done in collaboration with ICAI is that they have signed an MOU with the ICAI wherein Chartered Accountants can get a free subscription of Zoho Books, Zoho Payroll and Zoho Expense. In this video, I'll show how you can subscribe to the free subscription and what exactly is covered in this free subscription. So there is this link through which you can get this free subscription. I will put the link in the description below the video. And as I have already created the video, the button that I am getting over here is Access Zoho Books. But I'll just put this into incognito mode. So when you go to this link, following page will open for you. You need to put in your details, number, name, email ID, MRN, password. I agree, and you need to create the account. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, once you have created this account over here, you will get following benefits. So I'll just share what are the benefits that you receive. First of all, you will get a Zoho Books Elite plan. Now this Elite plan includes all these features, and if you want to pay for it, it costs you 5,000 rupees per month. Okay, so this itself is of 60,000 rupees, which is per year, which is available free for all chartered accountants for 3 years. Okay, so it has got almost all features that we need in while maintaining our books of accounts, and many additional features like we can create recurring invoices, automatic emails, approval systems, etc. So in this you get all these features, and it is more than enough for our accounting needs. You'll get digital signature. Apart from normal accounting that we do, you get a client portal, a vendor portal. We can create automatic emails, transaction locking, etc. Everything that we need while doing basic accounting, and in addition to that, there are a lot of features that we can explore in Zoho Books, and it can be of great help. You can do your budgeting out here. So this is of huge help. It's something which is worth 60,000 rupees per year, and we are getting it for free for 3 years. Okay, so this is one of the products that we get. Then we also get Zoho Payroll. Now Zoho Payroll as such is free for up to 10 users, but we can get it free for up to 25 employees. So once again, all your Form 16, collecting, TDS documents, etc. can be done over here. TDS calculation happens automatically. EPF, ECIC, etc. happens automatically. Every employee will get their own portal to download their payment slips, and all those things are there. So once again, huge benefit out here. So this is the premium plan that we get for free. And then we have also got Zoho Expense. Zoho Expense is basically for creating a reimbursement. So if your team members have gone out for audit, they can just keep on putting their expenses on the mobile app or even digitally. Then there is an approval mechanism. You can approve those payments, and then you can process the payment. The best thing is that all these things gets integrated with your books of accounts. So once you have claimed that reimbursement, the accounting of it, the booking of expenses happens automatically. The premium plan is available for 10 users. So once again, this, if we want to pay for it, then it is 200 rupees per user per month. So 2,400 rupees per user, and we are getting it free for 10 users. So that this is itself worth of 24,000 rupees. So lots of benefits out there. Zoho Books has entered this MOU for 2 years. So if we subscribe to Zoho Books within this 2 years through this link that I have provided in the description, we can get to use these tools for free for next 3 years. So I would say make the most of this benefit that has been provided to us. Being a chartered accountant has its own benefits. Make the most of it. And if you or if your team members want to know more about Zoho Books, you can get enrolled into all the training programs that we do for everyone. The link for registering for the training program is also being provided in the description below. Thank you.